Today I teach you how to make Dieline for your product, packaging box Dieline. There is too much kind of Dielines in market. So today we make normal box Dieline. You can see it's a normal box Dieline. We need only three sizes: length, width, height. If you have these three sizes, you can make Dieline easily. Always customer give you three size of his box. Every box, every rigid box or normal box, any sizes, there is only three size we need must for your packaging Dieline. So today I teach you how to make Dieline properly for your product. Accurate Dieline for industrial level use. So keep watching our video. We explain step by step properly. Professional Dieline. It's not easy, but even not difficult, but very simple. So now we start. In diagram I mentioned we need length 6.5, width 6.5 and height 14.5 in centimeters. I make Dieline in centimeters. If customer require from you Dieline in millimeters or inches, it's a different method. Same method but unit change. But I teach you Dieline in centimeters. Okay. So now we start. First we take one rectangle. We remove the fill. We work on outline. Normally when we make Dieline in outlines. Okay. So our length is 6.5 as per our diagram. 6.5. It's our length. One size we make. Now we need other size height 14.5. So we change the height 14.5. This is our two sizes, length and height. And now we need third size width. We make same copy and attach the anchor points. You know anchor points? These 2 points. You must be accurate, attach the points. We zoom out and now our width is 6.5. Same. Length and width 6.5. It's the same. It's a square box. It's a square box. Okay. 6.5. These three sizes if you have, you can make Dieline easily. If you have only two sizes and customer told you make Dieline, you can't make. You have no idea about the width. Dieline always making as per product inside box. Okay. So we three sizes get, and now we make Dieline start. It's a formula. Your front, this is our front. Now I am working on wild frame, control 5 wild frame. Okay. Now this is our front and back same. We make copy, and this area is our side width, and same copy this side. Okay. And just move the area. Always working on open area, you can easily working. Okay. You have too much space in our artwork. So these four sizes confirm: front, back, one side and other side. And now third is we make flap, pasting flap. Pasting flap is standard size is 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter. And assure please 0.4 mm curve downside. As per like this, 0.4 keyboard increment. Okay. and select direct selection. Select one anchor point and press down arrow. Same bottom side, up arrow, little curve. Okay. Now we make top. You can same copy, Dieline up, attach the anchor points and give reference point, and always our width, size and our top size, height same, always. It's a formula. Our box width size, for example, here is 6.5, so must be height is 6.5. Okay, this area size and this flap size, height same. So if you make little decrease, by mistake you put 6, so your box not close, your Dieline is wrong, production wrong, everything is wrong. So assure this width size 6.5 and your top this flap 6.5 same. And after we make opening flap, same anchor point attach. Why I telling you anchor point attach? If you make same like little like this space, your Dieline from far seeing very well, but when you zoom it's a little difference. We no need this, we make accurate Dieline. Okay, if you not accurate Dieline, after some sampling and other production you may face problems. So this opening flap is 1.5 centimeters standard size. You can make 1.6, 1.7, but standard size is 1.5 centimeter. Here we need curve area like round, corner rounds. Okay, so it's a very updated Illustrator. You can see one small round here and one small round here. You select both with shift, select and like this downside. It's up to you. You can take this one, you can take this one, you can take this one, but from my side it's better is like this. This area minimum 5 mm minimum for closing path, very well closed box. Okay, this area finish. Now we make flaps here. Same we make copy upside and attach the anchor point. You must be know about anchor point and alignment. I can do same like alignment, easy work. So this flap size is half from this size. We take reference point downside and any size divide by 2. This is standard flap size. So we make now flap this one and shapes. How we make? Same, we double click here, we enter the layer, this flap layer. So here we put anchor point, pen tool plus pen tool. Here we put 1 point and here we put 1 anchor point, and other side it's normally idea 0.5 mm up. You can put 1 anchor point. Here now we select direct selection and we select these both points and shift, press and move like this. It's up to you. If you make very small space, this also okay. If you put more, anyway, but this is standard, no maximum. Other side you put same, select 2 anchor points and move like this. 0.5 centimeter means 5 mm, and other this flap only select 1 point and move manually. Your flap looking like this. Okay, it's not depend on professionally, but maximum like this. It's on this flap purpose is your box spot from top side. Top flaps spotting your product inside, inner and bottle, anything. So now same flap copy other side and transform reflect vertical. Okay, and now select both and horizontal align left. Why our Dieline is moved to in our main page? Because we select here artboard. You can choose align to selection. This is our selection. Now align. Again problem. One thing we select both and align to select. Why problem is now okay. So other same all copies downside, but here one thing, these flap 0.07 centimeter. It's mean how we put 0.07, 0.07. Okay, but our actual size here 6.5 minus 0.07 mm, it's 7 mm, 0.17 mm. Very small area we left, very small area. It's depend on paper thickness. Okay, so other side, this side our 6.5 and other side our same 6.5, but we minus 1 mm small. Please put a accurate reference point and minus 0.7 or may 0.07, no issue. Okay, this flap little small from this flap side. Okay, and same we copy same and rotate and attach the hair one by one. Anchor point is easily attach the Dieline. Okay, and other one two flaps same copy and downside transform reflect horizontal and alignment like this. And now again one by one we flap transform reflect vertical, and you can see here small space align. Now again align these two paths, align. Now here gaps come, this okay. Other side this flap again transform reflect vertical, and this same line, but we need little space here. Again minus 0.05 here 0.05. Okay, now this is our Dieline is complete. This is accurate size. If you cut this size, your box perfect as per my size, this size accurate. But here little work more professionally, like open flap creasing point and down flap locking system. How? So here normally one small line 0.5 centimeter, here a creasing line and one other side. This is increasing pressure on your opening flap, because sometime your opening flap very easily open, so we can't easily open. Maybe properly open can open your flap. So downside same. Downside is locking system, because if your bottle is heavy, inside box very heavy weight, sometime if you shake the box your items will be come outside. So we need to bottom side lock system, not easily your box open in bottom side. So here is make how to make lock. Normally here one line, center reference point minus 0.5 or 0.1 centimeter, sorry 1 centimeter small. Here 0.5 small, here 0.5 small. I change the color, you can see like this space area 0.5 0.5 centimeter. It means 0.5 centimeter means 5 mm. And now this line little up 0.5 milli or 1 milli, 1 milli up like this. And now here we manually one lock like this line, and same other side. Check our line is not attached, must be attached, okay, like this. And same copy to other side like this. Now here we cut the Dielines, all Dieline. How we select all Dieline and pathfinder. Here outline, when you put outline, your fill and outline is no stroke no fill. So we choose color, here ungroup, and now see we no need this line. Now you can see this is now our lock system. Our box not easily open. If someone box very strong shaking, not open easily, it must be by fingers properly. So now we change the colors, which line is cutting and which line is increasing, how to understand. So our all red color is cutting, and creasing line we select these line select and black colors. Now you can understand black line is creasing not cutting, and red line is cutting. This is proper Dieline for industrial level. You can use anywhere, professionally make design, anything. So when you create any design for your product, you must be have accurate Dieline. Without accurate Dieline, you never make any design, any work on your wrong Dieline. Okay, it's my suggestion for you. You can try yourself in home and try our best videos other our channel. We have too much Dielines, different sizes. This is main concept of making Dieline. So I think you understand. You I suggest you try yourself in your system, your laptop. If you make same size, same like this, it's me you understand the formula of